Did you know you could get financially rewarded for planting trees on your land? Our England Woodland Creation Offer, or EWCO for short, supports farmers and landowners just like you to create your own woodland. By planting trees, you can improve your land, generate income, and play your part in helping the environment, and be rewarded in the process. Our flexible EWCO covers the cost of creating your woodland, including up to £10,200 per hectare for capital costs, £350 per hectare to maintain your young trees for up to 10 years, and support for the costs of installing infrastructure to manage your woodland. We'll also give you up to £8,000 per hectare for capital costs in recognition of the value you're bringing to the environment, nature recovery, and the local community. Our EWCO grant is open all year round, it's BPS compatible, and applications can be from as little as 1 hectare. So what are you waiting for? Find out more today.